Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making one of the most delicious Italian pasta sauces you can't just buy in your local food store. With this simple recipe I'm gonna bring you Italy to your home. And the best part is, you just need a few ingredients to prepare this creamy, tasteful pasta sauce. So I fire up the oven to the maximum and put the bell pepper right under the grill for a couple of minutes to get the skin burned. I check every 2 minutes or so to turn it around and then I take it out. Even though the skin got burned pitch black in some places, it's very easy now to peel the skin off. The peeling just takes a couple of seconds and that's what the bell pepper looks like now. I cut the bell pepper into cubes. They don't have to be that small because later we get to blend them. Then I mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with the whipped cream and now we can start cooking. The pasta water gets well salted and the pan heats up with extra virgin olive oil and some butter. The onions and the garlic are slightly fried for a bit until they become translucent. Next I put in the bell pepper and I let it fry for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now it's about time to put the pasta in the pot, because the pasta just takes 10 minutes to get cooked. So before I start blending, I add the paprika powder and some salt to the pan and let it fry for a couple of seconds. I take the bell pepper out of the pan and pour in some of the salted pasta water. That makes it easier to blend. Now everything goes back into the pan and by now all the flavors developed really nicely. The roasted bell pepper, the garlic, the onions and the smoked paprika powder. This unbelievable smell really makes my mouth water up. I added some more of this precious pasta water to make everything more liquid before I pour in the whipped cream with the cornstarch. Now I just let everything boil up for a minute to check how creamy the sauce got. If it gets too thick, I just add some more of the pasta water, and if it's too runny, I can mix in some more cornstarch with either cold water or cold milk. But I was very pleased with the result. The sauce was nice and creamy, but not too thick and still a little bit runny, just perfect to grab onto the pasta. So, what do you think about this unbelievably tasty pasta sauce? Just leave a comment and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. More videos like this are coming up soon. When you click on the bell, you'll get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!